afternoon. I am Professor Iyer. I just wanted to talk about the new education policy announced by our Prime Minister and HRD Minister yesterday. In fact, after 34 years, there is a change in the new education policy with respect to Government of India. Just the glimpses of new education policy I would like to talk. First thing is 10+2 board structure is dropped, and the new school structure is 5+3+3+4 system is going to be there, and up to 5th standard preschool, 6th to 8th middle school, 8th to 11th high school, and 12th onwards graduation, and degree is upgraded into 4 years. 6th standard onwards vocational courses are available, which was not available earlier. From 8th standard to 11th standard, students can choose the subject. All graduation course will have major and minor. For example, science student can have physics as major and music subject as minor. Also, any combination he can choose. All higher education will be governed by only one authority. There is no different authorities. UGC and AICTE is merged. All university, government, private, open, deemed, vocational, etc. will have the same grading and other rules. New teacher training board will be set up for all kinds of teachers in country. No state can interfere. Now state government powers have been removed. Same level of accreditation of any college based on its rating. College will get autonomous right and status. New basic learning system will be created by government for parents to teach children up to 3 years in home and for preschool 3 to 6. Credit system for graduation for each year student will get same credit which he can utilize if he takes break in course and come back again in complete the course. Now in this system, suppose a student is studying engineering, say 4 years engineering college, engineering course. After first year, if he gets joining to some other place or joining in a job, etc., he can take leave 1 or 2 years and again he can pursue his study. It's a very good thing. All school exam will be semester wise twice a year. Now school exam twice a year semester wise. All syllabus will be reduced to core knowledge of any subject only. More focus on student practical and application of knowledge. For any graduation course, if student complete 1 year, he will get a basic certificate. For example, after first year, if the student is dropping out of the college, he gets the certificate. If he complete 2 years and drops out, he gets a diploma, and if he complete the full course, he will get a degree. So this is a very nice thing. So too, and moreover, no year of any student will be wasted if they break the course in between. So problem is the break is in fact condoned. All graduation course feed of all universities will be governed by single authority with respect to the each course. Now in this case, the Ministry of Higher Education, that is HRD, Human Resource Development, name has been changed as Ministry of Education. This Ministry of Education is going to take over the control of all educational institutions in India, and no state government is having power to interfere. After going through this particular new education system, there are some states, they are having junior college. Now what is going to happen? After 10th standard, schools are upgraded into 11th standard, and college starting from first year, second year, third year and fourth year, no 12th will be there. 12th standard is going to be upgraded into first year. Now what is going to happen? The teachers teaching in junior college, some will be observed in the school section and some will be observed in the college section. So in this case what happens, cities like in Mumbai, I feel there are 2 slots of times are given to the colleges. Morning session is given to degree and afternoon session is given to junior college. Now in this case what is going to happen, there is no junior college, so only one stream degree is going to be there. So they can utilize the timing, say instead of starting the college at 7:30 in the morning, now the degree college will be starting at about 9:30, which can go up to 4 or 4:30. So because that afternoon junior college timing, the slot is given to the degree college, so they can utilize that particular infrastructure. And overall I feel it's a good thing. Change is always positive. Thank you very much.